The Dräger PARAT 3000 filtering escape devices provide users a minimum of 15 minutes escape time against a wide range of industrial gases. Equipped with a multi-gas ABEC 15 filter and packed in a robust and ergonomic case, the unit is compact and, thanks to various carrying options, easy to take along. Each escape device is equipped with a belt clip, which can be attached directly on a belt or a pocket. The grip clip carrying option is intended for applications when a securely fastened clip is needed. Use a screwdriver or similar tool to loosen the belt clip. Remove the belt clip completely. Insert the grip clip. You can securely fasten it to your person. The slip guard carabiner fulfills the function of a carabiner hook. Additionally, it provides a type of fall safety for the unit. Use a screwdriver or similar tool to loosen the belt clip. Remove it and attach the ring of the slip guard carabiner to the latch of the belt clip. Reinsert the belt clip with the slip guard carabiner onto the PARAT device. When carrying the device on a belt clip, the slip guard carabiner itself can be hooked onto the belt loop. And in case the unit dislodges from the belt during use, it remains attached to the user. The shoulder strap is suitable for recurring operations where a device is quickly carried along and a belt is not in use. Use a screwdriver or similar tool to loosen the belt clip. Remove it and attach the ring of the shoulder strap to the latch of the belt clip. Reinsert the belt clip with the shoulder strap onto the PARAT device. You can now carry the device over your shoulder. The hand strap carrying option is optimal for short-term applications when a device needs to quickly be taken along. Use a screwdriver or similar tool to loosen the belt clip. Remove it and attach the ring of the hand strap to the latch of the belt clip. Reinsert the belt clip with the hand strap onto the PARAT device. You can now easily carry the unit on your wrist.